Namaste. Welcome to namastehindi.com. And dear learners, we have successfully completed Hindi vowels in our last videos. We have done the reading practice, the writing practice, the words and new words. And from these videos, we will be starting our consonant section. In Hindi, there are total 33 consonants, out of which we will today learn the top 5, the first 5 consonants. And these consonants are grouped on the basis of the articulation and the voice coming out from the mouth area. So today, the 5 consonants that we are going to learn are called Ka Varg consonants. Ka Varg consonants. So let's get started. So these curve consonants are called the velar sounds. Velar sounds that are produced in the back of the mouth area. From this area, these sounds are produced and these are called velar sounds. The 5 special letters and all sharing the same sound family. Do you want to meet them? So the first one is ka. Ka. Repeat after me. The first consonant of Hindi language is ka. The second consonant is kha. You will add a breath to ka, it will become kha. Repeat after me. Kha. The third consonant is ga. Ga. Then if you add that breathe to ga, it will become gha, the fourth consonant. So our fourth consonant is gha. And the last one, you have to roll your tongue out and say la, la. So the first 5 consonants are ka, kha, ga, gha and la. Well done. So as we know now, the first consonant is ka. Let's look at some words starting from ka. The first one is kabutar. Kabutar is called pigeon in Hindi. And the word ka, the sound is like ka as in kite. Ka as in kite. And the word is kabutar, means pigeon. Repeat after me. Ka, kabutar. Yes. Then more words starting from ka are ka, kalam, kalam, that is called pen, and ka, kitab, kitab, that is called book in English. So the kalam is called pen in English and kitab is called book in English. As you can see, this is kalam. Kalam is called pen and kitab is called book. So let's revise all the 3 words from ka that we learned today. Ka, kabutar, ka, kalam and ka, kitab. Kabutar is called pigeon in English. Kalam is called pen in English and kitab is called book in English. Well done, dear learners. Now let's move on to kha. So the second consonant that we are going to learn today is kha. If we add a breathe or a h sound in ka, it will become kha. Kha as in Khalifa. Khalifa. Kha as in Khalifa. And the word starting from kha is khargosh. That is called rabbit. Yes, your little bunny. Your little bunny or rabbit in Hindi is called khargosh. Khargosh. Then more words from kha are khana. Khana, that is called food in English. The food we eat to get energy is called khana in Hindi. And next word is khel. Khel. That is called play in English. So food is khana and play is khel. So let's revise all the three words that we learned from kha today. These are kha, khargosh, kha, khana, and kha, khel. Very good. So the third consonant that we are going to read about is ga. Ga as in gun. The sound is similar to ga as in gun. And the word starting from ga is ga, gamla. Ga, gamla. As you can see in the picture, gamla is called pot. The flower pot in Hindi is called gamla. Gamla. And more words starting from ga are guy. Guy. That is called cow in English. And Ghana. Ghana is called song in English. So, repeat after me. The two words starting from G are guy and Ghana. Guy and Ghana. So, let's revise all the three words that we learned from G today. The first one is Gamla. Gamla. That is called pot in English. The second is Guy. Guy is called cow in English. And the third one is Ghana. Ghana is called song in English. Very good, learners. Let's move on to fourth consonant, that is Gha. Yes. So the fourth consonant is Gha. And as I already told you, when you add a H or a breathe sound in Gha, it will become Gha. Gha, coming from the back of your mouth. Gha. And one example starting from Gha is Ghar. As you can see, Ghar. House in Hindi is called Ghar. Then two more words that are starting from Gha are, first is Ghadi. Ghadi. Ghadi is called watch. Ghadi is called watch in English. And second is horse. That is called Ghoda. Ghoda in English is called horse. So let's revise all the three new words that we learned from Gha. Yes, the first one is Ghar, that is called house in English. The second one is Ghadi, that is called watch in English. And the third one is Ghoda, that is called horse in English. Very good, learners. So we have come to the last consonant, that is La. La is a very special sound that is also called a retroflex sound because it is obtained by curling your tongue. Once you will curl your tongue and you will roll it out, then this La sound will be produced. Repeat after me. La. Can you see the tongue, my tongue being rolled out? La. 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 Yes, la is a special sound. Hence, no word starts from la, but it is used to make other words like sadak. Sadak. Yes, as you can see, the road in Hindi is called sadak, and it is used to make this sound la. So let's revise all the five consonants that we learned today. Yes, dear learners, you are very right. Ka, kha, ga, gha, and la. Very good. You can clap for yourself today. So in the next video, we will meet with the next five vowels. Till then, namaste.